Thing is, I've been having this raw milk sit outside for the last 3 weeks, and check this out. I mean, the weather, it's been cold outside, so that probably has a big part of it, but look at the separation that took place over the 3 weeks. And you know, I just cracked this open and it actually smells like nothing. There's no smell to it. Look at that. Look at that. That's awesome. I haven't decided if I'm going to taste it yet, but I think I am, based on it doesn't smell bad at all. And like I said, it's been sitting outside in the cold. Interesting. It's been sitting outside for 3.5 weeks. Absolutely has no smell to it, but we're going to see if it has a taste. Here we go. Alright guys, I'm about to try my 3.5-week-old raw milk that's been sitting outside in the cold because it's been snowing and it's been really cold. It's been, you know, in the low 30s and, you know, even hit, you know, the high 20s. So I've had this raw milk sitting outside and it looks like it's just separated completely. I've taken the cap off the top of it and I've smelt it. It doesn't have a smell at all. It's amazing because I have another one sitting on the counter that's only been sitting there for about 1.5 weeks and the smell of it is horrible. And this one has been sitting outside for 3.5 weeks in the cold, and I tell you, it doesn't have a smell at all. So let's take a sip of this. Let's take a taste, and let's see what it tastes like. All right. So here we go. Look at this stuff. 3 weeks outside. Look at the separation. I wish I could get some better light for you. Look at the separation here. Crazy. Look at that. Here we go. Bottoms up, baby. Interesting. It does kind of have like a sour taste, but it doesn't really have like a, there's no substance to it. It just tastes like sour, tastes void of any sugar at all. So that's what I believe would happen. I believe that the bacteria ate all the sugar. So that's what it tastes like, guys. I don't plan on probably drinking the rest of this. I just wanted to try it. It doesn't taste that bad. Isn't something I would probably drink on a daily basis, but who knows? There's probably tons of fermented bacteria inside of there. All right, guys. Yummy. What do we got here? What? Some new stuff. A2 certified pasteurized raw milk. And I'm gonna get Old Faithful. I might try one. Curious. So it's been about 4 hours since I drank that 3.5-week-old raw milk, and I feel great. I wanted to add that I felt like an amazing body high after drinking that old raw milk. Interesting. Beef teriyaki for lunch. You know, I remember when I was a vegan, this is all I used to eat when I came here. It would just be these noodles with some broccoli. I'm not even kidding you. They knew me as the vegan guy. Now I'm about to eat it with beef.
deed. Won't even get pulled over in they new feed. The good life. Let's go.
Alright guys, so I've made it back home. I'm about to sit down and enjoy me a glass of some raw cow's milk here. And you know, one of the things that I just wanted to touch on before I leave is people out there who are on the fence, who are possibly thinking about jumping into the raw milk world. I highly recommend you to do this. Please do not wait. You are missing out on one of the healthiest, most nutritional superfoods on the planet. On the planet. And of course, that is only next to mother's breast milk if she is healthy. So again, get some raw cow's milk in your life. The sulfur, the proteins, the vitamins, the nutrients, all of these things will greatly benefit your life. I promise. Have a good day, friends. Youngsters.